So if you missed the news the other day, it was confirmed that Haiden Deegan would be racing the 250 again this year and not the 450, which was the rumor, which was pretty well founded considering he's racing the 450 in World Supercross, and everyone just expected this is kind of a trial run to see where he would fall. But him, his dad, and reported by Ralph Shaheen that he would be racing or back racing the 250 class for the 2026 season, and then moving up to the 450s in motocross. Now, I'm going to say this in my own perspective, really smart on his side. There's a lot of money to be won, another title possibly to be won. You have to expect him to be the title favorite. And as of now, at least from what I'm on Instagram looking at this today, the one plate is on his bike. This is 2 days ago. Sorry, I'm a little behind here. But the one plate being on his bike, I'm assuming that means he's going to be on the West Coast defending his title. And you got to say, I mean, you have to put him as a title favorite. This is no surprise anyways. To me, like I said, this is the smart decision. You can move up to the 450s whenever you really feel like it. You could do it this year and probably have a pretty solid season. But at the moment, you still have a year of 250 eligibility left. You know, go out, be the title favorite, collect all that bonus money, all the win bonus, the championship bonus. You've got, well, I don't think actually SMX, because if he moves up to the 450, I don't know how the points work with that, but it's just a lot of extra money. And at 19 years old, you still have a long time in this sport. You might as well collect the titles and all of the, stats and accolades and whatever you can while you can. Because when you move up to the 450s, it is going to get a lot harder. Let's be honest here. You're going to be racing against Eli Tomac, Cooper Webb, Anderson, Roxon for however long, they race before they retire. And then for the next decade, it's going to be Hunter Lawrence and Jet Lawrence. Like, there is going to be competitive racing for a very long time. And at the moment, you'd have to say he is, no matter what coast he went on, no matter who actually ends up being on the coast with him, he is a title favorite. You have to put him right up there no matter who is with him. And I'm excited for this year. Obviously, it's going to be one of those things. He's going to want to win more than, not that he doesn't already want to win or hasn't already wanted to win, but being the last year in the 250s, you want to prove that, you're still the guy. Claim another title, another championship trophy, and just, show that, yes, you are the number one guy in the 250s at the moment. You're going to be moving up to the 450s, and you're going to be, a force for the next decade. And I understand you either love him or hate him. I feel like there's very few people that are kind of just on the fence for Deegan, and I like him. Personality, and it's not just personality. Obviously, he talks a lot of shit. It's, brash, it's cocky, it is whatever it is, but he backs it up. If I would be fully honest here, if somebody is just, all they are is talk and then finish like 8th, 9th, 10th every single race, yeah, no, that's just stupid. But when you're winning titles, you're winning, you're on the podium all the time, you're winning races all the time, you should be able to have a little bit of trash talk, have a little bit of a cocky edge to you, because you're proving that it's, something of value, or not a value, but like, you can back up your words. If you can do that, talk whatever you want, because it's fun, and I like personality. I don't like the cookie cutter, get up on stage, thank your 25 sponsors, put up your Monster Energy can or whatever it is, and then kind of just stand there, smile like a cardboard cutout. Like, personality to me is good. I think it's exciting. And I don't know. You guys tell me, comments down below. Do you have him as a favorite? Do you like him? Do you hate him? Whatever it is, I don't care. Comment down below while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.